If you have a house in Massillon, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently for a fair price, this video is for you. My name is Dave Pearchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Massillon, Ohio from sellers who want to hit the easy button and get an easy solution. And you're going to see why so many sellers in Massillon, Ohio choose to work with us over the more traditional process of selling to a buyer with a real estate agent and things like that. So the reason people who are selling their house in Massillon like to work with us is we're an as-is buyer. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition, and that means you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean, and you don't need to haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house, but anything you don't want or anything you don't need, you simply could leave behind, and we will take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition when buying houses in Massillon is we're a true cash buyer. Now this is extremely important, and this is really one of the main differences between us as a direct buyer versus a traditional buyer who's working with a real estate agent, because these buyers are also working with some kind of mortgage lender, some kind of bank lender that's involved. And that's where it could get really complicated for you as the seller. You don't deal with that with us. We're a cash buyer. There is no third-party approvals needed. But with a traditional buyer, oftentimes they need to send their informal inspection through. This inspector is going to spend all day at the house and looking at every outlet and looking at every single nook and cranny just so they can basically kill the deal, is really what they're trained to do. They are trained to find things wrong with the house. We're not going to do any formal inspections. We already know what we're getting. We've been doing this for many, many years. It's perfectly fine. We don't expect the outlets to work. We don't expect things, with a formal inspection, with a traditional buyer, they're going to ding you for a light bulb, right? It's just absolutely crazy. And then if you survive, if the transaction, if the deal survives this formal inspection, well, guess what? Here comes the cavalry. Here comes the appraiser now. Oh, okay. Well, hopefully the appraiser's having a good day, because if not, they're going to kill the deal. And what's going to happen is they're going to pull the rug out from under this thing, cancel everything, and now you're right back to square one. Let's assume that maybe it does go through. Well, now, if they're represented by a realtor, when you get to the closing table and you look at your bottom line, you're like, wait a second, I'm paying commissions? I'm paying fees? What are all these fees? You're paying for the mortgage broker and closing costs, and where's your money? Well, it's all coming out of your money when you're working with a traditional buyer. So with us, you're going to know exactly what you're netting because there's zero fees and costs. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property, and the only thing that comes out of that is the mortgage that you might have on the property. That's all going to get paid off and everything. And if there's maybe any back taxes or some kind of lien or something like that, but it's all going to get paid off. You keep everything else. There's no title fees. There's no recording fees. You don't even have to pay for a postage stamp. If there's something that needs to get mailed in, we'll pay for that too. So people prefer to work with us when they're selling their house in Massillon, Ohio. And if you have a house in Massillon that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently and for a fair price, give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Now, I know it says Columbus in the website. That's because we were founded in Columbus, Ohio, and that website's just too good to get rid of here. But we're very actively buying houses in Massillon, Ohio for cash in their as-is condition. We work with people all over the whole great state of Ohio, and we have hundreds of positive reviews and testimonials and references for you as well. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about your house in Massillon, know more about the closing date that you're looking to close, because if you need to close fast, we'll make that happen. If you need flexibility, we could accommodate your needs, whatever they are, and then we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Massillon house. If our offer works for you, perfect. We will move forward and get this done for you. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We will simply shake hands and part as friends, because we're never going to apply pressure to this situation. We're not going to leave a bad taste in your mouth. We're not going to have some gimmicks or some scripts and some, that's what you get when you're working with a call center. And that's what we're not either. We're not a traditional buyer working with a real estate agent, and we're not some call center located in some foreign land, right, that has no experience in Massillon. They're going to pretend like they do, but ask them to prove it, and they're not going to be able to. We absolutely have the track record to back up everything that we say, and we'd love the opportunity to at least discuss options with you, and you have nothing to lose, no obligations by giving us a call and having a conversation. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. We buy houses fast for cash in Massillon, Ohio, and I look forward to the opportunity to speak with you, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.